Fubo TV yesterday had earnings after the bell. Reporting close to $120 million in revenue, they managed to grow their subscribers to 590,000 in Q1. Despite seeing the inflation rate tick up year over year, Fubo managed to close green in a sea of red. And when we take a look at this thing, it's been on a downtrend since the beginning of February. On a year-to-date, this stock is down over 20%. So you might be wondering, are people selling this earnings pop? Well, when we throw it on some technicals, we take a look across the board. Stochastic is on the floor, RSI sitting at a 45. However, the money flow is still negative. Notice the accumulation distribution is negative as well. So when you just take a look how this thing traded, you see that pop from the earnings. However, it just didn't get continuation in today's tape, and that's largely due to the sell-off across the board. But when we take a look at what the options market's pricing in, they're pricing in about $2 of move that's left in this stock for the week. So when we throw it on the expected move, Fubo came into this week expecting $1.73. Our upper edge plays $18.97, and you can see we're well over that one standard deviation. So let's take it closer and let's add some drawings here. So when we look across the board, you can see we got rejected at this 3 sigma up at 22.43. We're sitting right now right above that 1 sigma as well as a Fibonacci. 1877 is a 38% Fibonacci. So that's going to be a big level as well as that 1 sigma to hold. Otherwise, this stock potentially could be coming back down. When we take a look at it from the daily, you can see we got a bounce off of this 61 fib at 14.7. However, holding this 1877 is a very vital level if you're to ask me. I mean, when you take a look across the board, we see today the VVIX spiked over 20%, sitting at a 148. I would be pretty scared if I'm in equities right now. And when we just take a look at the NASDAQ, it's down over 2.6%. You can see we're breaking 2.5 SIGs on the week at 13,025. A 3 sigma on the week would pay 12,887. So what's going on here? Well, today we saw the bonds just get whacked down, and that was due to the inflation numbers that came out this morning. So what happened? Well, that drove yields higher, which ripped open technology, and even the S&Ps closed down over 2% today, sitting below a 2.5 sigma at 4,072. 40/40 plays 3 standard deviations in the S&Ps. I mean, just take a look at this thing. We've been on an amazing rip higher. So is there more selling to come? You have to ask yourself. But back to Fubo, we'll have to keep our eyes on what the general market wants to do. That 1877 is going to be a big level, as well as this 1 sigma on the week at 1897. And you can just see we're closing near that standard deviation. So depending on what the market wants to do, seeing how high the VVIX is, it seems like it should be coming back down, and maybe Thursday and Friday could be relief rally across the board. And if so, Fubo could potentially be coming back up to the 3 sigma where it got tapped out in yesterday's after hours. So keep your eyes on some of these standard deviations to the upside. Remember, holding around this $19 range is very vital in this stock. Ultimately, if stocks tumble, this is a stock that could be heading back down to 1470. As you can see, we were just there the other day. So we finished the day up 10%, which was a nice day despite seeing all our indices in the red. But we'll have to see what tomorrow brings. So there you have it for Fubo. It was a trending ticker today, and I showed you some of the levels to look out for. Now, these are just based off the options market, showing you some standard deviations to the upside. Remember, holding around $19 is going to be vital in this stock. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like. It means a lot when you guys can show some support and hit that like button. And if you're watching me for the first time, show some love and hit that subscribe button. It means a lot if you guys can do that for me. But on that note, I will see you in tomorrow's video. It'll be a crypto market breakdown. Have a great night. Take care. Peace.